was sent these double sliding under sink organizers to try out, so let's open them together. Alright, so it comes with 2 of them and they're packaged in these bags separately. And the instructions are just inside. So it says insert rods into bottom layer and align the top layer. And then press the 4 corners firmly to make sure they pop into place. Under my kitchen sink is a mess, so let's fix that. They also came with these little hooks that just attach to the edge, which is super nice because I can hang my cleaning brushes on them. Wow, this held way more than I anticipated, and so I only needed 1 in this space. I think I'm going to use the other one in the bathroom. We don't keep much in this cabinet, but that's a much better way to store it than what I was doing before. If you're looking for a better way to organize under your cabinets, this is a great option. I can pull these out and see everything. They hold way more than I anticipated, and they look great. I would definitely recommend these.